What is up, guys? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be unboxing the MartinLogan IW in-wall ElectroMotion Series mono speaker from MartinLogan. Let's go back so you can see. First thing I notice whenever I open up the box is that the product does come with a cutout template, which is nice. Pretty much all in-wall speakers do. Also have a user manual, and it has a little MartinLogan attachment that you can put on the grill if you want to advertise to people what you have inside your wall. If not, you don't need that. And then it has a nice clean magnetic grill. I've been using MartinLogan for years. It's a really well-built speaker. They're really well known for this folded motion tweeter, which is not very common in most manufacturers. This is the product here. So you got your tweeter and then your woofer, and just the quality of the build of this product is exceptional, especially for the price point. Definitely getting into more premium audio, but not at a crazy dollar value. So this is the front of the unit, and this is the back. You can see it does have push button terminals, nice big magnet, and it has tab adjustments for tensioning these onto the sheetrock to hold it into place. And this is the IW. I'm also going to unbox the IC, which is nicely paired with this particular speaker. Well, guys, this is the unboxing, and you can also follow our video of the complete installation of this product, which we're doing today. If you would like to purchase this product, we do have nationwide free shipping and a low price guarantee. So give us a call or shoot us a text. If you live in Dallas, we can even do the installation for you. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below.